Welcome to this video. My name is Randy Clemens. I'll be your host. I'm also the author of the tool that I'm going to be presenting. Today we're going to be looking at Valor DFM reports and cross-probing to an Altium PCBDoc from that Valor report. I'll leave a link down below where you can find your way back to this blogs, and I'll also leave a link to where you can download the application if you're interested. So let's give a quick demonstration of what we can do. Typically you have a PCB that you've designed and you get a DFM report back sometimes from your fabricator, and it's usually more often than not a DFM report from Valor. And what we can do with this application, it's an Excel add-in, is that we can highlight our XY data in the Valor report and select jump, and that will take us directly to the location. So we'll do that a couple times just to give you another feeling. So if it was at location 00, that's our origin over here. If we were to jump there, we'd find ourselves at the origin. Anyway, that's really pretty much all there is to it. It's pretty easy to install. You'll find the instructions for installing it over at the blog, parts blog. It's well documented there, but if you have any questions, you can always contact me at Parts for a free demo or support. Thanks for looking at the video. Have a great day.